Are you tired of stressing over what to prepare for your meals? Today, we'll show you how to budget your meals for the week and save money without sacrificing quality or taste. Start by listing out your meals for the week. Aim for a mix of breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Consider using recipes that share common ingredients to reduce waste and costs. Create a shopping list based on your meal plan. Stick to it and avoid impulse buys. Check store flyers for discounts on items you need. Set a weekly grocery budget. Keep track of your spending as you shop to avoid going over. Apps or a simple spreadsheet can help you stay on top of your budget. Make use of pantry staple rice, beans, and canned vegetables. These items are affordable and versatile, making them perfect for budget-friendly meals. Cooking in batches can save both time and money. Prepare larger quantities of meals and store them in the fridge or freezer for later use. Don't forget to save leftovers. They can be repurposed into new meals or enjoyed as is. This not only reduces food waste but also saves your time on cooking. Finally, get creative with your cooking. Experiment with new recipes and ingredients to keep meals interesting. Remember, budgeting doesn't mean you have to compromise on taste. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please comment down below what you learned, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.